Welcome to Quick English Practice. English Grammar Test. Each question takes 5 seconds to answer. If you get 20 out of 25 correct, your brain is super active. Let's get started. Good luck. You should avoid too much time on social media. Right answer is A, spending. What time does your flight? Right answer is B, take off. I her at the mall yesterday. Right answer is B, saw. We have been waiting. Morning. Right answer is C, since. He will join us if he free. Right answer is B, is. The book's on the shelf, dusty. Right answer is C, are. You mind opening the window? Right answer is A, would. She always goes to school, foot. Right answer is B, on. The letter was written, a fountain pen. Right answer is C, with. This is the boy, won the race. Right answer is A, who. She is not only smart, also kind. Right answer is C, but. I would help you if I time. Right answer is B, had. The movie was than I expected. Right answer is C, more interesting. He works harder. He can earn more. Right answer is B, so that. The manager insisted that he present. Right answer is C, B. Let me know when you the work. Right answer is A, finish. It's the best book I ever read. Right answer is B, have. We will wait here, you return. Right answer is A, until. She talks as if she everything. Right answer is B, new. Each of the students, a laptop. Right answer is A, has. Her friend in the hospital last week. Right answer is C, visited. The team, playing well. Right answer is B, is. I asked her. She liked the gift. Right answer is A, weather. I would rather. At home today. Right answer is A, stay. He kept looking at me. I was a stranger. Right answer is C, as if.